Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to my channel. So in this video, I am going to express my views on one particular script is known as Tata Motors. I always prefer Tata Motors, whether it is in equity segment or in stock future or in option segment. I prefer to trade with the Tata Motors. I love to trade with Tata Motors because it is a script which used to play with the investor or trader like a hide and seek game. The Tata Motor, the script itself plays a hide and seek game with the investor or the trader, whoever tracking the script. In this video, I track Tata Motors and I obtained certain levels for trade as well as making an investment with Tata Motors. While I am looking at the Tata Motors in the market, the price I got it as 298 rupees. The 298 rupees seems to be the current market price when I looked at the market. And considering the 1 month low and 1 month high of Tata Motors, the recent 1 month low and 1 month high. So the 1 month low is about 280.55, 280 rupees and 55 paise. Let us forget about the 55 paise. Let us take it as 280 rupees. And looking at the 1 month high of Tata Motors, it is about 325 rupees. So this range is 280 to 325 rupees. So this is a small broader view. And in my prediction, I find it, if the Tata Motors move further in the positive direction, there should be an upside target at 355 rupees. So the next level I am placing at 355 rupees. Suppose the market is not good, Tata Motor is not good, Tata Motor is not having a very sales, and Tata Motor is declining in the price, it may go to, in my prediction, it may reach to 244 level. So the broader view is 244 to 355. In between these two broader level, there are two distinct levels, namely 244 to 325 rupees. So I repeat once again, 244 and 280. 280 is 1 month low, 244, 280, 325 and 355. So these are the four distinct levels. So one can consider these four levels and they can frame the trading arrangement between these four levels. Suppose the Tata Motors is playing between the first two levels, they can refer the market as well as Tata Motors, whether Tata Motors is in a positive, it shows a positive pulse, a positive direction. So you refer the first level, say 325. So it is not like that. Suppose the Tata Motor plays a negative role, so you can move on to your target as 244. So 298 to 280. I'm sorry, not 244. It is 298 to 280. And the next two distinct levels also you can consider when it crosses below or it crosses above. So these are the four levels, and considering how much we can earn with Tata Motors as a equity trader on intraday basis, in my prediction, in my analysis, I have a conclusion that Tata Motors will give you 4 rupees and 40 paise for an intraday trader in equity segment. Even in stock future also, Tata Motors definitely give you 4 rupees and 40 paise as a profit. So you fix your trading range using this 4 rupees and 40 paise. And suppose you want to do a positional trade in equity segment. Here what I mean, the positional trading is holding the script for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days or even 5 days within a week. So referring the recent price levels of Tata Motors, recent closing price of Tata Motors, I come for a conclusion that Tata Motors is not preferable for short-term holding, because most of the time Tata Motor closing price are mostly equal to the previous day price, previous day closing price, or it is just above 1 rupee or below 1 rupee. It will not work out for a equity holding trader. So what we can think, whether it is possible to hold for long term, not so long term, say about 15 days or 15 days to 1 month type of holding, it is okay. If you are holding 15 days to 1 month holding, you can have a sizable gain of 13 rupees to 18 paise per share. If suppose a person is interested in trading with Tata Motors in option segment, here the nightmare is the lot size. The lot size is 5,700, and another nightmare is Tata Motors premiums are overpriced. Suppose a person wants to have a trade with Tata Motors, and premium price multiplied by lot size would come around 20,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees. So it is mere waste of putting money over the option segment, like 20 to 25,000 rupees. It is mere waste. So one can has to go for out of money option in Tata Motors. What I mean to say that the penny level option trading. So penny level option trading is a tool I am invented by me. I am following this for myself as well as my subscribers. So I used to give penny level option trading tips in one particular WhatsApp group, Bull Street Superfans WhatsApp group, in which I used to give premiums with the price of 10 paise to 20 paise, 30 paise to 90 paise, and I focus on the profit level as 30 paise, minimum 30 paise to 50 paise. Sometimes it will double your investment. And along with penny option trading tips, I'll give penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. Here, the price levels are starting from 5 paise to 20 rupees. So these are not tradable scripts. These are very smaller scripts. This can focus for long-term wealth making. Lot of scripts in the past also, like Eiger Motor, we identified at a price of 15 rupees. It went to 36,000 rupees, and SE Investments we identified at 19 rupees, it went to 1000 rupees. And Netco Pharma we identified at 17 rupees, it went to 2005. Lot of scripts are there. So I'm not very much proud about my past success. So I'm always moving along with the market. I run along with the market. So if you want, this is a package: penny level option trading tips and penny stocks in equity for long-term wealth making. Along with we used to give high spec equity stocks for short-term delivery basis. So this is a package. This package has subscription rate as 7,999 per month. If you want to have such trading tips, you can subscribe. You can subscribe by paying the subscription to this WhatsApp number. So this is about the Tata Motors. The Tata Motors, one can trade with Tata Motors in equity and stock future as well as option. As far as option is concerned, I prefer only penny level option trading for Tata Motors because it is overpriced. The premiums are overpriced. So follow my videos, follow my social post, follow my status, and follow my blog write-ups. You can also come along with me. You can also make use of the market. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.